2 months after the passing of Christopher Dog Paw Linton, he has finally been laid to rest. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk, and we'll be right back with the details to come. If it's the first time you're watching, please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, and click on all so you're always updated with our latest report. We'll be right back after this short break with the full details. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for Links 007 TV. Let's talk. So, yesterday there was a heavy contingent of police and the military present at the Dovecot Memorial Gardens in St. Catherine for the funeral service of reputed gang leader Christopher Dog Paw Linton. The reputed gangster was taken out by police in a confrontation on October 11, 2021. So, 2 months after his passing, the body of the reputed gang leader Christopher Dog Paw Linton was laid to rest. Linton, aged 35, was buried at the Dovecot Memorial Park in St. Catherine yesterday. His body arrived at Dovecot under heavy police escort. A number of people were outside the chapel waiting patiently for Linton's body to arrive. Linton, the reputed gang leader of the Dog Paw Gang, was taken out on October 11 during an alleged shootout with the police in Ellison Flats community in St. Andrew. The police reported that shortly after 2 p.m., lawmen acting on information intercepted a vehicle in which armed men were believed to be traveling. When signaled to stop, Linton reportedly exited the vehicle and opened fire. The fire was returned and he was taken out, and that was the report given by the police. However, many people are still in denial about what transpired there in that instance, and it's very sad to see that such a young individual threw his life away just because of crime. And when you look on this individual, just to know that he would have served a number of years behind bars already, and he would have been out on what people believe was a mere chance for him to turn his life around. And police have stated that since he was released from custody after he won an appeal based on that was laid against him before, he actually was implicated in a number of crimes allegedly by the police as well. But it's very sad to see what happened here, and it's just an eye opener for others out there just to look on your life and try to turn your life around in a positive path. This individual was just 35 years old, still young, still bright, still had a lot of life to live. However, it was cut short based on the path that he chose and the path that bring him to where he is at this moment. So this is where we're gonna leave this report now. Though, thanks for watching. This has been Links 007 TV, and peace, youth. Just try your very best out there to avoid problems and try your very best to avoid conflicts. And please don't be a part of any gangs. Youths, you have to be smart. You have to be wise. At the end of the day, this gang thing, it only will leave you in two places, either at the morgue or inside a jail cell. Bless up yourself, viewers, subscribers. Happy New Year to you all. Hopefully, this new year bring you joy, love, peace, and happiness, and hopefully that your yearly plans will go through as you wish. Much respect, and thanks for those who continue to support Links 007 TV over the year. Thanks for those who are coming on board, and thank you all for always being a part of the Links 007 TV family. Have a blessed and productive holiday from Links TV.